This is the COMFIER wireless hand massager. It arrived safely, all wrapped in styrofoam in a really nice package here. The company sent me this product to check out and make a video for it, so let's do it. So inside the package you're going to get the massager itself, easy to read instructions. And while we're in here, there's actually an app you can download from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store so that you can customize your massage if you want. You get a nice, decent length, 3-foot long USB to USB Type-C cable because, as I said before, this is a rechargeable device and you charge it right here. It's made out of either plastic or ABS and it weighs in at a little over 1.5 pounds, so it's pretty lightweight. Looking at about 11 inches by 7 inches by maybe 5 inches right here. If you're using this on a flat surface, there's actually 4 rubber feet on the bottom right here, so it's non-slip, non-slide. Actually works pretty good. A little bit about the charging part, like I said, you connect it right here on the side, and I don't know if the lights will show, but while it's charging, it flashes red until the charging is complete, and then the light turns green. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge it from dead to fully charged, but at fully charged, you get a runtime of about 1.5 hours. And since a full cycle on one of these is about 15 minutes, you get 6 full cycles per charge. It has a nice felt feel to it on the inside. And there's actually room to move it around left to right if you want to adjust it while it's running through a cycle. One thing I want to point out is that you want to make sure that you put your hand in the right way, which is like this. This is the top. When you turn it on, you just press and hold the power button for a couple seconds and it turns on. And when you turn it on, the top, the compression, and the bottom buttons automatically activate in the lowest setting. It goes green, yellow to red for low, medium, and high. And if I wanted to put this on medium, for instance, I press it again, goes to yellow, press it a third time and it goes to high. When you do turn it on, these top and bottom buttons, the compression and intensity buttons, automatically activate to the lowest setting. On the left we have a vibration button, pretty awesome. And on the right here is the heat button. Just press the power button to turn it off again. I'm not sure if this is right, but I'm pretty sure that there are a bunch of mini air cushions inside of here that inflate and deflate in a sequence to cover every part from your fingertips to the bottom of your palm. I've got pretty big meat hooks in here and my hand fits in here pretty good, but my fingers stick out on the top just a little bit, but that's okay because as the air cushion inflates and deflates, I can manipulate my hand just a little bit this way, that way if I need to. You can add heat and vibration to whatever your comfort level is. I like to have everything on high. You know, with everything on high, it has a really decent amount of pressure. Hand pressure is going to be subjective, but I really like the amount that this machine puts out. And while you're using it, like I said, you can set it on your tabletop, you can set it on your lap. It's relatively lightweight. If the vibration's on though, it's going to vibrate through whatever you have it sitting on, so I don't mind it. You can actually hold your hand in the air, you know, if you wanted to, however way you want while you're watching TV. So I'm a little older now and I've been playing bass in a band for most of my life. My hands and fingers are usually hurting pretty good after a night of playing and lugging equipment around. So this is great for me to use after a show and the next day, you know, to give my hands a much needed massage. So there you go, a wireless rechargeable hand massager, light enough to take with you someplace if you want. Great to keep one at the office and obviously great to use at home while you are relaxing or watching TV. Very nice, I like it. I'm definitely going to get some use out of this one.